The family of a man who died in police custody wants answers, and the Silvas are suing the city of Honolulu to get them. Good evening, I'm Jade Moon.
And I'm Kim Janala. New allegations tonight that police officers did not do enough to help a man arrested last summer. The case involves a 24-year-old who witnesses say went on a rampage at a Mililani Park and died a short time later. Louise Kim McCoy has our top story.
The parents of Kevin Silva are hurting, and while they admit they're not sure who actually injured their son, they still believe police failed Kevin and may have contributed to his death. Carol Silva wears her heavy heart on her shirt. Her son Kevin died on July 4th after police arrested him at a softball tournament. She's hoping witnesses will come forward.
He was hit with a lot of bats, I guess, and if they've seen anything, let us know what happened, what really happened.
But 2 days after the incident, witnesses told KGMB9 that Silva was acting crazy.
He kept lunging at us with the knife, and then he kept holding a knife up in the air and screaming, "Jehovah, help me, Jehovah."
When officers arrived at the Mililani Park, bystanders had subdued Silva, and during that struggle, he suffered injuries. Police say they took the 24-year-old to Wahiawa General Hospital, but he refused to get out of the police car. So they took Silva to the Wahiawa police station. That's where he later died.
There were at least 32 documented external injuries on Kevin, as well as clear signs that he was exhibiting mental and physiological distress. So it's very difficult for the family to fathom why police protocol was breached.
I know being a police officer is not easy. Most of them do the job well. But in my son's case, really serious mistakes were made, and we'd like to find out what happened.
The Honolulu medical examiner said the cause of death was complications from cocaine use. But the Silvas disagree. They say Kevin died from excited delirium and blame police for not helping him.
He was cuffed and restrained by the police while in police custody, and that very well may have contributed to the respiratory compromise.
What about drug use? Because that came out obviously days after this incident.
Kevin did have a history of mental illness and drug use. No cocaine was found in the toxicology reports.
No cocaine.
Right.
But any other narcotics?
Or any other drugs.
The Silvas admit their son had problems. In 2000, he caused this accident on the H1 freeway when police say he threatened drivers with machetes. But his mother says Kevin needed help, not lockup. Police officers tell us it's normal procedure to handcuff anyone under arrest who's being unruly or violent. Also, we tried to reach the medical examiner to ask about the toxicology report on Silva. She did not return our calls. The Silvas are suing for an undisclosed amount of damages. Louise Kim McCoy, KGMB9 News.